Hey guys, Matt here again at the Titan Outlet store. Just got in this 2004 Geringhoff. It's an 830 chopping head. Gathering chains are fairly good on this one. Poly snouts are good. Auger straight. Knives are also in good condition. Seen last night there's a few guys getting going on corn, and with the weather the way it's going, there'll be more rolling this week. And like I said, if you're looking for a last-minute corn head for a John Deere combine, give us a call.
Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we're demonstrating a 2004 Geringhoff RD830 in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this corn header. This Geringhoff RD830 is 8 rows with 30-inch spacing and features a low profile, along with chopping and hydraulic deck plates, and an autobath gear drive. This RD830 fits the John Deere 60 and 70 series combines. Thank you for viewing this 2004 Geringhoff RD830. If you're interested in this corn header and would like to contact your sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.